What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg and I'm doing Vlogmas this year. So this is day one of Vlogmas. I think I attempted this probably right when soon after I first started my channel years ago, and it was just all over the place. So I'm trying to plan out different content. So it's not just vlogging every day, it's just little snippets of my life and what I do on the day-to-day on top of having beauty videos, because I just want to share more of my life and incorporate that more into this channel. So if you have any specific video requests that you like to watch on YouTube, let me know in the comments down below for Vlogmas. So in addition to still putting makeup content out, I filmed a video for this look that I'm wearing. If you are interested in here for the makeup, it will be coming. But some other video ideas that I have are clean with me videos, exploring different kinds of art, grocery hauls, decorating for the holidays, you know, building a gingerbread house, just different vlog styles, how I style my bangs and my hair, kind of going over some of that, maybe some cooking videos as well. So if you have any requests for what you would like to see over the month of December, let me know in the comments. I'm really excited to do this, to push it. I think it's going to be good for me. And I kind of want to get into why I'm doing it and kind of explain some things. So I had the idea to do this about 2 weeks ago. So right before Thanksgiving, I was like, maybe this is something I want to try to do, because the idea of filming every day and editing is really stressful, and it's really hard for somebody like me who is neurodivergent to keep up with. But I've, kind of been filming some things here and there, so it's not necessarily going to be live every day, here's a vlog of my life, because I think for me to have a healthy relationship with this, I have some content that I created, and when I feel like I want to create it, I'm going to have it to then upload. So I'm still going to be doing the 24 or 25 days of videos and try my best to complete it. And it's something I want to challenge myself with, see where maybe I want to go with this channel, maybe where you would like to see me go with this channel as well. I've just been putting up a lot of chit chat, get ready with me videos, but sometimes I feel like I don't know what to talk about. So I think this will be a nice refresh for me, and if you're a subscriber of mine. But if I don't seem super happy in some of my videos, something that I debated if I was going to do this or not, because the day before Thanksgiving we found out that my husband's uncle unexpectedly passed away, and it's really hard, and I don't want to cry. That's why I did my makeup today, because I've cried enough, and I think for me, for my mental health, to not spiral down a dark hole and to kind of lift myself up and have something nice that I'm doing for myself every day, this is a way to hold me accountable, to make sure that I'm doing nice things for myself and also doing mastery level things for myself as well. Behavioral activation, maybe I'll do a video on that. It's something that I'm practicing in therapy. So at first I was like, okay, maybe this isn't the time to do Vlogmas with this going on. It's too much. But I think it will be good for me and hold myself accountable to make sure that I am practicing healthy coping mechanisms and staying in as positive of a mindset as I possibly can be during this time. And I deserve to take care of myself. Mental health is something that I struggle with a lot. It's been the main topic of my chit chat, get ready with me videos. But I deserve to process things healthily. I deserve to I deserve to be in as good a place as I can be. And I need to be there and take care of myself so I can be there to support my husband. Because he's going through a really hard time. His uncle is like a father figure to him, and his uncle loved him like a son. So even though I'm going through this loss and navigating this loss with my husband, I I think that this is still going to be something that's good. I think good is going to come out of this for me. And hopefully just sharing a little bit of my life with you and some of my self-care practices is kind of going to be like a month of like self-care. So maybe it will end up helping you along the way as well. I always like to share as much as possible because I think when we're sharing and connecting, that's when we're doing our best as compassionate human beings. And right now, it's just really hard to find a lot of humanity and compassion in the world. So hopefully if you are watching this and you decide to subscribe, or you are subscribed already, hopefully I can bring some of that to you and bring you some joy during what may be a difficult time of year for you. It seems like, you know, death can always haunt the holidays kind of thing. And I've experienced a lot of loss within my family myself. I've lost track for sure, but I think in the last 9 years I've lost like 7 family members, and I've lost 3 family members like back to back, like year after year, and a lot of them were unexpected deaths. And it's not to say that like an unexpected death is harder than, you know, somebody dying of a terminal illness or of old age, because it's horrible no matter which way you spin it. It's just, you know, a shock that you're not necessarily expecting or anticipating. So my husband has kind of received the same thing to him since the start of 2020. He's lost 3 people now back to back, and I know how much that hurts and how hard it is. So my heart really hurts for him, knowing the amount of pain that he's going through. And just like thinking about his aunt and his 2 cousins that lost their father, and it's a lot. So his uncle was like truly a great man, and I've had the pleasure of meeting him several times, and he was one of the nicest, kindest people. So me sharing this with you is to just share like what I'm going through, because I think it's important that we share experiences, because that's how we connect with each other. And also, if I don't look happy or chipper in every single video, I might be having a hard day. And you know, I referenced that in this video that I filmed, you know, for Vlogmas, that I went in explaining why I chose to do my makeup today, and what I, you know, kind of what I was feeling and like why I did it. So if I'm not like looking super happy in every video, I'm not going to be like, guys, like, you know, it's not something I'm going to reiterate throughout the month. But I just wanted to talk about it in this first video, in this intro to Vlogmas, to say that, you know, if I look sad or if my RBF is really popping out, it's probably because I'm just having a bad day processing all of this. But that, you know, because I get comments a lot about my face and my RBF. So even though we shouldn't be commenting about people's looks, in 2022, it still happens. But I just want to say, like, if I don't seem like super peppy or like super happy or super excited about the holiday season in some of my videos, it might be because I am having a hard day. Or if I do seem super happy in a video, I'm not being fake. It's just, you know, I need to try to have as good of days as I possibly can for the sake of my own mental health. So that's kind of what I wanted to chat about for this first video. I know it's not super exciting, super thrilling. It's like a little bit of a downer, but I feel now that we have this out of the way, we're able to move into Vlogmas in the next couple of weeks with a more positive and intentional mindset moving forward, especially being self-care focused. So if you're somebody that's been looking for some new self-care practices, I hope watching my videos help you. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what are some of your favorite kind of videos to watch that are more vlog style, non-beauty related, or if you do have requests for makeup videos, also let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day. Get ready to see my face a lot more on your YouTube screen. I hope you enjoy it. And even at the end of the day, if all my videos only get like 3 to 5 views, I'm totally fine with it because this is something that I need to do for myself and I'm proud of myself for doing it. So Meg, in the future, I am proud of you for doing this. You got this and it's going to be great. So without further ado, that is going to conclude the very first Vlogmas video. So I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when my video goes up. It should be on your, I have it open right now. My video should be popping up on your subscription button on the YouTube app. And if you're not seeing my videos, be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my videos are live. And be sure to subscribe in the first place so we can go on this journey together. So with all of that being said, thank you so much for your time and energy in this video and this little intro to Vlogmas, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye everyone.